Hey there, welcome to Pimcore Inspire. My name is Antoine and I'm going to tell you more about the Pimcore Academy in the next few minutes. The Pimcore Academy is our online trainings platform that we created back in 2019, and we call it the gateway to the Pimcore universe as it helps you to leverage your Pimcore experience. The Pimcore Academy was initially built for developers, but in the meantime we realized that there are a lot more people working with Pimcore, so we decided to also create content for everyone working in sales, consultancy, and marketing. And since today, we already got more than 1,000 people certified. If you select the Pimcore Academy, you will get access to 42 courses, full with presentation and demos, 85 chapters, more than 20 hours of video material, additional amazing case studies, and you can select up to 4 certificates. Well, what's the process of getting certified at Pimcore Academy? That's pretty easy and consists of 6 different steps that I'm going to show you now. So first of all, you have to register at pimcore.com, create an account, and then get a voucher. The voucher costs €299 per year and user. And once you redeem it in the Pimcore Academy, you can select your certification of choice. I will give you more information about each certification in a few minutes. So once you selected your certification of choice, you will start the course. You can go through different courses. It's all on demand. So whenever you need a break, just go for it. Once you've been through the courses, you will be able to do the final multiple choice test, which gives you then the certification. Each certification is valid for 1 year, meaning after 1 year you have to renew it. The renewage or the certification, how we call it, is done by going through the new and additional courses and by passing a final multiple choice test. So it's very important to understand that once you got the initial certification, you won't need to go through the whole content each year to renew a certificate. But it's not just about recertification. You can also earn more certificates. So the price of the Pimcore Academy, which is €299 per user and year, doesn't limit you just to one certificate. So if you want, you can even extend your Pimcore knowledge by going through additional courses and certificates. Well, we got the choice. So we got different certifications for developers, but also for the sales consultants and the marketing people, as I mentioned before. So here on the left, you can see on a person level each certification. So we got the junior developer, the senior developer, and the enterprise developer, but also the Pimcore consultant. And on the right side, that's mainly for might be interesting for potential partners or existing partners. That's badges that you can use to extend or to actually show people which knowledge you have in your company. So let's start with the junior Pimcore developer. The junior Pimcore developer is, I would say, the main entrance to the Pimcore universe. Even if you're not a developer, I can suggest or I can recommend to go through the course, as it really gives you a good feeling what Pimcore is all about. So, for example, myself, I'm not very into the technical aspect of Pimcore, but I also did it and it was quite interesting. So the agenda of the course is you usually start with why Pimcore. So it's all about Pimcore, why it's the right solution, and you get started. You get some experience with working with assets, with documents, but also about routing, working with objects, and the whole administration of Pimcore. Regarding the requirements, we suggest that you at least have some profound knowledge of object-oriented web development. You're familiar with the MVC pattern. You get a knowledge of Symfony and the PHP framework, and yeah, just a basic knowledge of MySQL and MariaDB. And often people ask me how long it takes to get certified. Well, that's pretty hard to answer, as it always depends on the workloads the developer or each person has. But we found out that on average it takes 1 to 2 days to go through the certification. Once you got the junior certification, if you want, you can continue with the senior Pimcore developer. The senior developer is actually an extended certification that we handle out to people who are more familiar with Pimcore. The agenda consists of a deep dive into documents and data objects, you will learn how to customize the admin user interface, how to extend and debug Pimcore. You will learn a lot about different targeting and personalization options, workflows and reporting. And a very big part of the senior developer license consists of the topic of the e-commerce framework. And you will also learn about deployment and our famous data hub. The requirements are pretty same as the one for the junior certification. First of all, you need to have an existing and valid junior developer certificate to be able to even start the senior developer license. And then again, you need profound knowledge of the object-oriented web development. Again, be familiar with the MVC pattern, have a good knowledge in Symfony and PHP framework, and you have like the basic knowledge of MySQL and MariaDB. And although here it depends again on the workload of each person, but the experience showed that in 1 or 2 days you can accomplish the whole certification. Then switch to the next one, the Pimcore Enterprise Developer. The Pimcore Enterprise Developer is specially made for everyone working or using Pimcore in the enterprise world. It gives you more information and insights in the portal engine, how you can create nice portals in a very few configuration steps, uh, topics about enterprise metadata, direct edit, the simple REST API, products app, the file export, CI hub, statistics explorer, and the translation providers. The requirements are the one that I mentioned before, but additional, you need to be gone through the Senior Pimcore Developer license. And then for everyone working in sales, but also for marketing, we got the Pimcore Sales Consultant, which is actually our newest certification, and it gives you a very good overview, but not just an overview. We also have some very deep dives in everything what the Pimcore platform is all about. So first of all, we give you an overview of Pimcore, how it works, why it's as good as we say, and then we go into details of each module. So you got the Pimcore PIM part, the DAM, the CDP, Pimcore Commerce, the digital experience platform or the content management system, everything to know about enterprise subscription, and also everything to know about enterprise extensions. The Pimcore Sales Consultants certificate was mainly provided, or actually our CEO and CSO, Dietmar Rietsch and Stefan Gruber, took a lot of time to give you a lot of details and deep dives in the Pimcore world. And that's why we have a lot of videos also in this course. I would say very interesting, but also very necessary. It's to have a common knowledge of the data management and customer experience world. And you also should be experienced in or within the B2B sales. And as mentioned before, also the Pimcore Consultant course takes 1 or 2 days, depending on your workload. Well, then for everyone who is actually interested in partnering with Pimcore or is already an existing partner, why is it also important for you to get certified or to certify your employees? Well, first of all, the ranking on the Pimcore partner listing depends on several topics, but one of them is also the amount of certification. Then you can use the Pimcore badges for your communication and sales material, which means you can add it to your social media channels, to your newsletter, and prove that you're able to use Pimcore the right way. And last but not least, it's also a requirement for our partners to have the knowledge in the company by achieving the certifications each year. This way we can, it's kind of a quality check for us, so we can make sure that every partner or agency knows about everything which is going on at Pimcore and also know about our new features and tools. Here we got some user testimonials, and I'm not going to read them out, but I want to really point out that the Pimcore Academy is not just used by developer, as I mentioned before. So here we got people from the developer part, like here Florian, which is a senior developer, but also someone who is a co-founder and CEO, like Frank. We got director business people like Alexandra, and yeah, also solution consultants and developers like Renate. So here you can see that actually the Pimcore Academy is really made for everyone. Well, then I brought some questions with me that we get frequently asked. First one is, I'm not sure if this is the right thing. Can I have a sneak preview? And of course you can. We do understand that sometimes it's hard to make buying decisions without even knowing or seeing what you're actually buying. So just create an account on Pimcore Academy and you will be able to access some of our courses and content for free. Does the subscription renew automatically? No, it doesn't. But to keep your existing certification valid, you will need to have an active Pimcore Academy subscription. How long is the certification valid? Certification is valid for 1 year. Can I renew my certification and how much does it cost? Of course you can. To get your new certification or to renew it or to recertify, you will need to go through the updated courses and pass a final multiple choice test. To do so, you will need to have a valid Pimcore Academy subscription, which is €299 per user and year. Often we also get asked if we do or if we provide bulk discounts and where they can get them. And of course we do. If you buy more than 10 subscriptions, you will get a discount of 10%. Just reach out via email to info@pimcore.com and we will help you to get your discount. As a Pimcore partner, you might ask if you also get a discount, and we do. We do offer discounts of 10% for every goal strategic partners. If you want to order as a partner, just reach out at partner@pimcore.com. Well, that's it from my side. Thanks for taking your time to learn more about the Pimcore Academy. Are you guys now ready to boost your Pimcore experience? If so, we got a special offer for you. For each Pimcore Academy token that you're going to purchase in November this year, we will add a free Pimcore book. To be able to get this offering, just send us an email to info@pimcore.com and we will make sure that you get your tokens and your book. Have a great day at Pimcore Inspire and talk to you soon. Bye bye.